Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use the expert properties for the inputs for a strategy tester. This is where you guys can be able to do multiple testing on different periods, on indicators, different value setting, and instead of doing on multiple tests, you just do it on one. Now there is a caveat to this. If you do this, this will take a very long time to finish out the thing, but if you have a lot of time, like you have a whole weekend to do a test, to see if your indicator settings, which one's better. For example, like a moving average, which one's better to enter, either a 10 period, 50 period, 100 period. It will give you those options if you program that in. So we'll start off with the beginning. The start is basically what it starts off with, and the step is that every time it completes it, it increases by that amount. So for example, if you guys want to use this super trend EA, I made it in my last video. Now, if we want to make the target profit 1,200, instead of doing that, we can make it increase by, let's say, 100. And we want to stop at 1,700. So it'll keep running this over and over again, increasing from 1,200 to 1,300, 1,400. And at the end, it'll give you a multi-different bar sharing out which one's more profitable for your time frame and your currency pair. Use trailing stop loss, you can use true, you can use an optimization with that. There's many things that you can do. It can compare to use a trailing stop loss or not, or increase the target profit. Now you guys can do this with many different things, but the more you select, the longer it will take. And sometimes it can take hours to days. The next thing you guys can do when coming through this is you guys change your period. This starts on 22, maybe start at 25 and do a step of say 5, and we're going to end at 60. So you just keep on running and showing different ATR values or use of it for up to 60 for the period. So once we hit OK, hit optimization. Now it will take a very long time. You may want to make your time frame shorter, but when you go down here, you'll see optimization results and the optimization graph. Now, it takes a long time for it to be fulfilled, and it'll give you a breakdown of exactly which one and which setup is more profitable. And now, past results don't equal future profits, but it can help you understand more about how your EA is working. Okay, this is a very simple use, beginner friendly for how to use the optimization. If you have any questions or comments, guys, just send me a message below and join my Telegram or Discord, and we can talk about it more in detail. Have a nice day.